In this video, I will be showing you how to use the Reports feature in NotebookLM to transform your sources into structured documents. Let's get started. I'll start on the main dashboard and click Create New to open a fresh notebook. Once the workspace loads, I'll click Upload Files and select a PDF document titled NotebookLM Overview to serve as my source material. After the file processes, I can see a summary of the content in the center of the screen. To access the Reports feature, I'll head over to the Studio panel on the right and click on Reports. A window appears with several format options like briefing documents, study guides, and blog posts, along with specialized suggestions like technical whitepapers. I'll select Briefing Doc, which automatically fills in a detailed prompt to synthesize the main themes and evidence from my source into a professional document. I'll click Generate to begin the process. In the Studio panel, I can track the progress as the AI builds the document. Once finished, the report appears in the main window. As I scroll through, you can see it has organized the information into a professional analysis, complete with an executive summary and technical details. The report explains how the system uses retrieval-augmented generation to ensure accuracy and lists the various supported file formats. This feature makes it incredibly easy to turn raw data into a structured, shareable document. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.